In this video, I will discuss the question based on the joins, and this question is repeatable in the MNC company, and the question is totally based on the adventure work data warehouse, which is available totally free of cost. You can download and install from the Microsoft website. And the first question is the find the list of the all the products sold via television advertisement. So basically the company is running the ad on the different sources. So you need to be find the all the product which is the sold via advertisement, television advertisement. We have the advertisement on the different advertisement. So if you go to the adventure work database, so if you see adventure work data warehouse, we have different table related to dim table. We have all the attribute. So this is talking about the product table. So definitely we have the dim product. Okay. Now we have to find the sales information. So for the sales information, we have fact table where fact internet sales region we have, fact internet sales will be have. So I will show you the question what is asking. So in dim sales region, we have some region is there like television advertisement, manufacturer, review, how the product was sold out. So how you can find the which product is sold via the television advertisement. So first you need to be look up the you can need to see this table. Okay, dim sales region table. Okay, so I will go one by one how you can solve the question. The main motive is to solve the question. The main motive is not to solve the question. The main motive is to how what is your correct approach, how you can solve any type of the real time situation, real time scenario. So if you can see sales region table, we have the sales region key, sales region alternate key, sales region name, and sales region type. So if you find the with the region for the television advertisement, definitely this table will be included. Now coming back to the second, we have the second table, that is the fact internet sales. In this table we have the basically different what is the sales amount, tax amount, all this we have. So if you can go to this table, like we can go here like the select star from fact internet sales, but you cannot find the relationship between dim sales region. If you put the top 5, okay, let me put the top 5 here. So we can see if any matching column will be there or not. So dim sales region we have some basically sales region key, sales region alternate key, sales region name, but you can see there is no sales related any region something in this table. Okay, so just you can press this table alt F1. Okay, so you can see what is the basically primary key and the relationship which table we have. Okay, so you can see we have fact internet sales region, one of the table we there, that it might be possible you can join with the fact internet sales table. Okay, so we can copy the fact internet sales region. So you can join with the fact internet sales region from this table. Okay, so now you can give the some alias name. Okay, so this is the DS dim sales region, and we joining from this table. Now you can join with this table. Okay, fact internet sales with the fact internet sales region. Okay, sales region both have the sales order number. Based on that you can put the some filter condition which is the question is asking, like we need to be always use the sales region is television advertisement, and as per the what the customer is asking, you can select the table like what is the customer key, what is the product key, what is the order date. Okay, so if you can see, yes, customer key, product key, order date, sales order number. So you need to be list all the products sold via television advertisement. So if you run this part of the code, you will get the detail. This is the product which is the sold via television advertisement. Okay, so this is the way you can achieve this question by joining multiple table. Okay, coming to this next question, find the top 10 customer detail. Okay, uh, who order more product. Okay, like who is the very good customer for the or organization or something, who is the silver, who is the platinum customer, who is the diamond customer. So this type of the categorization you can use in the real time. So for this you need to be go with the some customer detail table, because in the customer detail table you have the customer information. Now coming to this customer detail table, let me put select star from customer detail. Okay, so this table you can find the customer detail, but always you need to find the order. You need to be go with the fact internet sales. Okay, so if you press the alt F1 on fact internet sales, okay, you can see we have the some matching record. Okay, so what is the matching record? You need to find the customer related matching record. So customer key, if you have customer key, so you can see this table have the customer key. So both table you can easily join. Okay, you can use the inner join. Okay, so now if you use the D, we can give the alias name and the inner join fact internet based on the customer key. Now the question is saying top 10 customer who order more product. Okay, so you need to be grouped by customer key, first name and last name, and basically top 10 you can always use for the particular top clause. But before using the top clause, okay, let me show you what exactly we need. So customer key we need, first name we need, so you need to use the aggregated function. Okay, always you need to use the aggregated function to find the maximum who order. Okay, like if you see the customer key, first name, last name, count product key, so you will get the total order. Okay, for this how many customer, who customer order more, but we need top 10. Okay, so first you need to use the order by clause. Okay, order by clause, order by we have before, you can use the either total order. Okay, and always use put in the descending, so you will get all the customer who order the clause. So this is the highest this is the customer information who put the maximum number of orders, 68. But the question is asking is top 10. Okay, so you can use the here top 10. If they ask you highest who order most of the order from the table, then you can top 1. So now if you use the top 10, the question will be answered. So this is the list of the customer who order more product. Coming to the third question. Okay, so third question is saying that find the top 10 customer detail who generated highest revenue. Okay, so this is the same like the second question. So this part will be the same. Okay, so this part will be the same. The next is the basically you need to be basically give the aggregated, how you can use, what aggregated function you need to be used. So for this you need to be use the sum clause, because who generated highest revenue. So first you need to be understand the question, like who generated highest revenue. So you need to use the sum clause here. Okay, so most order, sometimes the product amount is very less. If you order 5 product and the total cost amount will be 100 only, but someone ordered only 2 and the generated revenue will be might be 1000. So you need to use the sum amount for this only. Okay, so same. So this is the customer. So Nicole like 12301. But if you run this part of the code, here the highest paid customer is the 1185. They order 68, but the revenue might be very less. So how you can see the revenue also? So in the same clause you can use the same this also. Okay, so you will get the total revenue as well. Okay, so if you run this part of the code, you can see this is the total revenue. But if you remove this top 10 clause here, and if you put the order by sales amount here, okay, so based on this also you will get the some idea, like this is the customer. So this both the question is very identical. And this might be ask you lots of things, okay, like other type of the question also, like who order most, but the revenue will be very less, okay, who paid maximum taxes, okay. So if you go to this sales table, okay, we have the different aggregated value in the fact table, tax amount, sales amount. So they will ask you based on the total product cost. So they can put any question. So you need to be understand how this table and this table we can join, okay, how we can join these two table, okay. So that is the basic step you need to follow. So thank you so much. We'll again meet on the next video. That is a very interesting question based on the join only. So thank you so much.